Hi guys, we're Ryan and Suzi, and you're joining us on day 4 of our bikepacking trip across the Netherlands and Belgium. If you've been watching our videos, you'll know that in the last episode, we got hit by a severe storm, and with both ourselves and our gear absolutely soaked through, we abandoned our route to the next campsite and booked ourselves into a hotel.
Come along with us for our last day of our trip and see what adventures we get up to today.
Good morning! You're joining us on day 4 of our bikepacking adventure between the Netherlands and Belgium. If you watched the last episode, you'll see that we got caught in a storm and booked ourselves into a hotel. The Hotel Rossendale in Rossendaal. And yeah, so everything was soaked, our sleeping bags were soaked. When we unpacked everything, all Ryan's clothes. Some of mine were okay because I stopped and put them into a plastic bag inside my pannier bag. But yeah, good job we came to the hotel last night. Woke up this morning, my chest isn't too good. And this is our last day here before we get back to the ferry tonight. So I think we're going to have as chilled a day as possible today.
Yeah, we figured out we can actually take our bikes on the metro as well, so the ride to the port will be a bit shorter, which is pretty cool.
So we're going to get the train back to Rotterdam in a little bit when we check out. And, wow, we don't really know if we're going to hang around Rotterdam, do we, maybe?
Yeah, I have a little bit of a mooch around. The weather's really awful today. I mean, looking out the window, it's grey and it's windy. Forecast to drain for most of the day, so yeah, bit of a mission.
Yeah. So it's sort of mission get back to the ferry today, but try and make it enjoyable as possible and enjoy our last day here, but not push it too hard. And yeah, so sorry, probably not as much cycling in this one, but yeah, come along if you'd like to. Luckily, my panniers have dried out overnight. Thank God for that. And I'm just putting my clothes back into the B&M bag. So we've got our tickets back to Rotterdam booked with the bike tickets, which was about maybe €40.
45 euros, 37.
Yeah, so we've got the tickets. We're waiting about half an hour for the next train, so not too bad. So we've just got a little corner. We're just happy not to be outside, honestly. If you look outside, it is horrible weather today. And we're thinking when we get to Rotterdam, we're going to see if anywhere we can store the bikes and if how much that costs, you know, in the train station to see if we can get out and go and have a drink or get some food inside somewhere, because that's like a bit of a limitation of traveling with the bikes. You've got to stay with them. We've not brought a lot with either. We've not brought a lot, but they're expensive bikes as well. Not as expensive as some we've seen here by far. But still, we don't want to lose them, so it limits what you can do. And if you're in a city for a few hours, not cycling, and we don't want to sit outside having a drink with these next to us today. It's not nice weather, so see what happens.
We might be able to squeeze.
No, it's fine, Ryan. I'll wait for the next one.
Smile, Suzi.
I know I'm getting you for birthdays.
What are you getting me?
I'm getting you a little flick stand for your mic.
Yes. Is it heavy though?
Lighter than your panniers.
My panniers feel pretty light today actually, because there's no drink storage in there. Because someone else can't fit any drinks in there. So.
Drink half a litre of water.
Or any food if we need to stock up on food. It has to go in my bag. I'm gonna get you some panniers.
I'm sorry, can I just tell you that back?
That one little flop chart.
And the Mars protein bar.
Okay, thank you, Ryan. Thank you for doing your bit. You're the
Accommodation carrying.
No, what do you do?
You carrying a tent.
That's true, you do carry the tent. But you're also the navigator. And I'm...
Carry all the gallery equipment.
You carry the... No, I've carried this.
And how have you managed to keep using that?
Okay, the batteries. But you overall feel the roles are that you're the navigator and I'm the muscle behind the operation.
I'm not the navigator because you're questioning everything. You don't actually listen to what navigation I'm giving.
So this is the underground bike storage facility at the Rotterdam train station, Rotterdam Central Train Station, and the guy upstairs said come down and have a look, and you can store your bike here for 24 hours for €1, which is brilliant. There is a free site as well, but you know, it's more secure in here, so spend €1. Definitely worth it. Now we can go and have a drink in Rotterdam. You fit that in, Ryan? How the hell did you get it up there? I've literally got my phone and the GoPro. My phone. That's it. I'm just like, should I be taking anything else? Don't know. I just feel weird without the bike.
Right. Here's those cards. Cool.
You also get a look. Show the little card you get with it. You need a little card to use for this, but they give you one when you arrive. Streets of Rotterdam look like a bike graveyard. All these restaurants and cafes along here with the outside bits out front look like it'd be really nice in the sun in summer. Just trying to find somewhere that's nice on a miserable day like this. Hey Ryan.
It's a bit grim, isn't it?
Yeah. We've brought the weather with us. What do you think of this bar, Ryan?
It's very nice.
We're in a place called Floor, aren't we? Yeah, it looks nice for about 1:30 on a Tuesday.
Yeah, literally just down the road from Central Station.
So the lady we ran into at a petrol station yesterday suggested we try some bitter balls. So that's what we've ordered here. We've got some vegetarian and some meat. So, see what Ryan thinks. What's it like?
Hot.
Spicy?
No, hot.
Oh, just really hot.
Very nice. Those are good, those.
What's it like then?
I don't know. I don't know what. It's like. I don't know.
You don't know what it is.
It's like meaty with mashed potatoes.
Potato?
Meat with mashed potatoes.
Oh, right.
Quite peppery.
Oh, okay. I'll try one then.
They're very nice.
Oh! I don't know what this is about, but it's like a robot holding a baby. Kind of creepy.
What's that, Suze?
It's a dildo. Oh, yeah. I don't know. We looked on Google for the best bars in Rotterdam, and this one, the Malief Bender, is the one at the top of the list. So we found it. It was 1 minute away.
Cheers.
It's got a nice vibe in there, actually.
How's the beer, Suze?
It's nice.
What's it called?
Really cold. It was a Brant. Is that right?
Correct.
So it's brewed here.
I believe so. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, very picturesque little bar.
No, can we get the boat, please? Sorry, we've got a ferry to catch.
We've just been to the chocolaterie and got some chocolate, and we've got a few different flavours in here.
She's sticking it down.
We've got a few different flavours of these to eat now.
Yummy.
You made a friend there, Ryan.
Yeah.
We're now rushing back to the train station to get our bikes and get on the Met to head down to the ferry port.
Magic.
Time to pay. €1. So we tried to get on the Met to get a bit closer to the ferry and have a less of a cycle, but we weren't allowed to get on a few minutes after 4 o'clock. You're not allowed on with the bikes during rush hour, and it is Tuesday, so we're now going to have to cycle the whole way back to the ferry in horrible weather. It's not going to be too nice, but that's it really. We've got enough time to get there, so I don't think it'll be too much of a problem, but yeah, it would have been nicer to sit in the comfortable warm thing during the rain, but whatever. Again, so on the way back to the ferry yesterday, the battery died on the GoPro, so sorry about that. You missed a lot of wind, rain.
Got a little bit more wind and rain. Oh, and you missed Susie crying at the end as well as we got to border control. So I think she just
it was very difficult.
Got to the end. Yeah, we cycled really well, to be fair. We did that Rotterdam to the ferry, which is like just short of 20 miles in 2 hours. So yeah, really good considering all the conditions. And then our ferry trip home was interesting, to say the least, wasn't it? There's a school trip on here, so it's been fun. Testing.
So yeah, we've not done a video of the boat, but we were both exhausted as well. Maybe we'll do a boat video on the next one if we do another one of these trips.
Yeah, but by all means, if anybody's curious about getting on, getting off with a bike, or what the facilities are like on the boat, drop us a message. We'll be sure to reply, because there is a lot more. It's not just a boring ferry. There's cinemas, casinos, 2 or 3 restaurants.
A lot of entertainment, really, isn't there?
Yeah, and then you've got all the people to watch as well, which is fun.
Yeah, and the rooms are a lot nicer than I expected. I've stayed in far worse small rooms.
Yeah, beds are comfy, which is which is just what we needed, to be fair. So yeah, I think we're all pretty happy in that regard.
Yeah, so we're about to get off the ferry now. It's about to get back into Hull, and yeah, so we'll probably leave the video here. So if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. And yeah, do you want to add anything, Ryan?
I'm looking forward to seeing Yo-Yo.
Our dog.
Our dog. Yeah, thanks very much, guys, for joining us, and hopefully we'll see you again real soon. Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times